What's up guys, welcome to my channel DJ Kid. Right, so in today's video it's going to be a quick market update. Just take a look at the events that took place, especially yesterday, which saw the market being manipulated by some fake news about the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. So Cointelegraph have come out now and literally kind of given their explanation on what went wrong. So we'll take a look at the article and yeah, just take a look at the market and just kind of see where we're at and what it's doing. So guys, the market right now is up 0.4%. Bitcoin is trading at 28.4 and over the last 7 days is up 4%. So obviously yesterday we saw pretty much a major candle which saw Bitcoin explode and hit $30,000 on some exchanges. ETH today is at 1.5 and in the last 24 hours down 0.9%. Last 7 days pretty much up 0.5%, so it hasn't really moved in the last 7 days. But the rest of the market, I mean, it looks okay. Bitcoin on the other hand is looking good in the last 7 days. Another one that really kind of stands out in the top 100 is Solana. Last 7 days up close to 11% and trading around that $24 mark again. So Solana is looking real good right now. And let me just sort this by last 7 days, top 100. So pretty much you can see Bitcoin SV is up 17.5%. Volbit is also up. Casper is up 11.5%. So a lot of these tokens are doing well. Bitcoin Cash as well. A lot of the tokens with Bitcoin in the name in the last 7 days have pretty much gone up a fair amount, which is pretty decent. And Bitcoin itself up 4%, as I was just talking about before. Take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. So currently we are trading at neutral. So at 52, yesterday was 47, last week was 50. So we're pretty much on a upwards trajectory on the Fear and Greed Index. Okay, so let's take a look at this this article. So clarification on sharing false spot Bitcoin ETF news. Firstly, I just want to say, you know, the market pretty much erupted when the news came out. So, you know, a lot of people at the moment are saying that the ETF price is already priced into the market, but I truly don't believe that. Obviously yesterday a bit of news came out and we saw the market, you know, explode. We saw Bitcoin go from, you know, roughly 27,000 up to 30,000. So if the news was real, you know, that potentially could have continued and Bitcoin could have went up to 31, 32, 33, potentially 35,000 and more. So yeah guys, I don't feel like the Bitcoin ETF the Bitcoin ETF news is priced into the market. So we just want to take that into consideration. Obviously, purely my opinion. You know, if you guys feel like it's not priced in as well, make sure that you have some real justification and conviction behind that. But from my point of view, you know, I don't really feel like that Bitcoin ETF price is priced into the market, as some people are saying on social media. Anyway, so let's take a look at this clarification on sharing false spot Bitcoin ETF news. So they basically just came out here and kind of just said that it was a intern in the organization that literally got a bit trigger happy and put this out there. So here is the article, and guys, obviously you can take a look at this article as well. So we are incredibly grateful for the support and trust you're placed in our publication over the last 10 years. So let's ignore all of that. Earlier today, during routine coverage, Cointelegraph's social media team posted a message on X without prior editorial approval, stating that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission had approved BlackRock's iShares Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund or ETF. So that was false, and then they've just gone on here. Sorry. So they've just gone on here and continued to you know, kind of say what went wrong, and then they've got a Telegram chat here which literally has the build up to when the article was posted. So yeah guys, it's a bit of a strange one that Cointelegraph generally use it for, you know, real news that comes out in the crypto industry. I know I definitely look at Cointelegraph on a daily basis, so just a bit surprised that they got this wrong and were a bit trigger happy to kind of pull the trigger and get the tweet or the announcement pretty much out there. So yeah, a bit surprised to see that. But But they've come out and kind of justified what went wrong. This deleted account, not sure what this is about, but obviously, guys, take a look and see what's going on there. But you can see, you know, there's a whole kind of trail that they've got on this article here, which kind of says what's gone wrong. So here you can see at 1:48 UTC, readers reported the issue Cointelegraph via social media channels. BlackRock says ETF application is still under review by SEC, BBG. So that then came out, and yeah, obviously the market then has corrected since. So guys, I just wanted to bring that to your attention, because obviously at the moment it just seems like there's the market is kind of being manipulated, and there were a whole load of short Bitcoin ETFs, short on Bitcoins and or Bitcoin shorts, and we saw them literally get liquidated, and yeah, just absolutely kind of decimated out there. So all of those were literally like blown away, and it kind of just feels like the market is being manipulated. But on the upside and the positive, what I wanted to bring to your attention is that based on the spot Bitcoin ETF news, we did see a major pump in the market, hence the reason why I feel like it's not priced in. So I'm looking at Bitcoin here on the daily, and here we can see we're literally trading above. There's probably a lot going on here. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. So let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands here. So we're trading above the 50 and 200 EMA, currently up here at the kind of 28.4k level. And I've just drawn a few trend lines in. If I just pull the Bollinger Bands in again, so we've kind of spiked out of the Bollinger Bands, come back, corrected to the top of the band, potentially might drop slightly down to 27.5 then before continuing on to the upside. Or, you know, on the other hand, we might just continue on to the upside here, depending on what news the market actually brings us going forwards as well. But yeah, if I just zoom in a little bit here, you can see we had this massive candle yesterday. So price of Bitcoin went from 27.1 all the way up to close to, well, pretty much touched 30,000, and it was trading at 30,000 on some exchanges out there as well. So hence the reason why I'm saying that the Bitcoin spot ETF news is not actually priced in, because we saw this based on an article that came out and obviously announced that news, and then we've seen a correction since then as well. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think if the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved anytime soon. I know a lot of influencers out there are actually saying that you potentially have kind of 80 odd days, 84 days, I think it was off the top of my memory, for when the Bitcoin ETF needs to be approved. And it's not needs to be approved, it's actually what it will be approved potentially in the next 84 days. So, you know, there is still that pump to come. Once that approval goes through, we'll definitely see some you know, some increase in the Bitcoin price. So guys, that's just something to look out for, purely my opinion as well, and just based on some of the big influencers out there, some of the big social media accounts also stating that as well. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit me up in the comments below, let me know what you thought about yesterday, the whole kind of, you know, the fake news coming out and just the way the market reacted. Hit me up in the comments, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.